Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we'll be unboxing and setting up the NGTeco Smart Wi-Fi Camera. NG stands for New Generation and it's a brand from the ZKTeco company for smart homes. Alright, let's get straight to the unboxing. Alright, first of all we have the manual and instruction guide. Just gonna keep that right there. Next up we have the power brick used to power the device. Then we have the main device, which is the camera, and the antenna, which is used to boost the Wi-Fi signals. Then we have some other accessories which are going to be used to set up the camera. Alright, there we go, and that's all for the unboxing. Alright, we're moving to the setup. Okay, first of all, you plug your device to power using the power brick right there. Then after that, we wait to hear a voice prompt.
Wait for Wi-Fi config.
Alright, now we are going to download the app. You can download it on either iOS or Android. So you either go to your Play Store or you go to your App Store and search for NGTeco. Right there, NGTeco Home, that's the name of the app, NGTeco Home. Then wait for it to download. Alright, so we're gonna open up our NGTeco Home app right there. I click on agree, sign up. Then you put your location. Ours is Nigeria. Then you set up your account. You have to put in your email, and a verification code will be sent to your email, so do well to check your email for the code so you can input it there and you'll be able to set up your account. Then you set up your password. Then go to app, and your account is set up. Next step is to add the camera to the app. Next, you tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. You tap the camera that you want to add, you tick the box, then you grant the permission, then you select the Wi-Fi network that you use and input the password. Okay, then you scan the QR code with camera lens until you hear a voice prompt. As you can see, it's showing you how to do it on the app, but I will also show you how to do it. Alright, so firstly you have to remove the protective film so you can be able to scan it well.
Wait for Wi-Fi config. Connect router.
So as you can see, it's adding the device. Added successfully. So the device has been connected now. Alright, We have been able to connect it successfully. So you can add as many cameras as you want to it. So I'll add another one to show you. So you basically just repeat the whole process we just did right now. Click on the top right corner, you select the camera, you tick the box, you put in your Wi-Fi password, then you scan the code just like we did before. Alright, it has been added successfully. You can also rename the camera just in case you have it in different places and you want to make it more accessible. So you can change the name to anyone you want. So right now we're changing the name of the camera. So yeah, we have been able to connect the second camera successfully. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions that you want to ask us, kindly comment down below and we'll be there to assist you. Thank you all for watching.